Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica Queen Wells. If you like lifestyle, fashion, and skincare, you are in the right place. I am going to do the work for you. So I'm going to tell you where the best places are to shop, where you're going to get the best bargains, both online and in the store. So let me get right into it. It is Christmas season. If you're looking for some bargains online for your family, I am here for it. I am with my little doodles, Grace and Coco. We are getting ready for the season, and I am just excited about all of the bargains they are out there. It is going to be, I think this is going to go up today. I'm going to try to get it up today because I know Black Friday is coming up. But you know, they have Black Friday deals all over the place. Before Thanksgiving, after Thanksgiving, before Christmas, the week of Christmas, it's just everywhere. It is no longer just after Thanksgiving. So do go online and check them out. They have a lot of little sites that help track bargains. The one that I use the most is, I think it's called, I'll put it below. I use a few, but I think it's one that I use all the time that tracks Amazon. So I put in the price that I want to pay, and it tracks that price as it goes down. I think it's called Clamp Jasper or something like that. But anyway, I'll put it below so you can use it. I'll put a few of them down there. It's a good thing when you're trying to track the price of something. But this is what I want to share with you guys. I have a friend. Her name is, let's see, I put her information below, but she does gospel children's books. She has a series online, and I actually order. Her name is Tanya Grisham. I'll put her information below. She does a lot of children's gospel books. They are spectacular. I ordered some for my church. Now, what's special about this book series? They are not strictly made, but they're made for children. I ordered some to give away in the baskets that we give away for church. I'm just saying, if you are one of those people who like to give your grandchildren gifts that are going to last forever, gifts that are important to their walk in their faith, or just books that are going to inspire them to learn the Bible, or just what God means or should mean in their lives, this is a series that's important. This book, actually, this one is called Cain and Abel. It's the story of Cain and Abel. The way that it is written, it is actually, it has, it's written like this. It has the illustrations, and then it tells the story. It tells it in a way that children can understand. It has beautiful illustrations, and it kind of goes through the whole book. I mean, it's just actually beautiful. Kids love it. If you have a daycare and you want to incorporate this in the daycare, the book has the illustration. It goes through it. It's not graphic. It sort of kind of uses little emojis to kind of get through the story on how it's written. So that kids can kind of understand it. And then when you get to the end of the book, towards the end, it has a coloring section. So these are great individual books. So it allows the child to kind of color. So it gives, this one has the fruits, vegetables, and it has the flock coloring. So it allows them to color. And then it has a special prayer for God. So it does have a little journal in here where the kids can write what they thought about the book. They can write their own little personal prayers or their thoughts. So it gives them a space for them to write their journal. And then it just has a thank you in the back. So these are affordable. You can get them again on Amazon. I'll link it below. I'm telling you, these are great gifts for your grandchildren. They are great gifts for children in your classrooms. If you're looking for a gift for a special child, this is something that will inspire them. It's something that's inspirational. She has books for the younger children. She has books for older children as well. Not teenagers, but you know, kids, I believe from 5 and up. This would be something that they would like. I'm telling you, go on to Amazon, check her out. If you don't do anything but go on there and look, do so. I'm telling you, these books will change a child's life. I'm going to link them both on my YouTube page. I will also link them on my Instagram and my Facebook and on my TikTok page, my Pinterest page. I'm going to link this book everywhere because I'm inspired. I ordered 50 copies to give away. So if you go on here, let me know, ping me below. Let me know if you found this book inspirational. If you chose to get a copy for somebody in your life, let me know. This is a keeper, guys, an absolute keeper. So the other thing that I went ahead and I did, I went ahead and picked up some men's clothing, and you guys know I usually don't do that. But I went ahead and did that because I wanted to show you that Dillards, and I'll link them below. I told you to get on their mailing list. They had a 50% sale off of their men's clothing. So I wanted to just pick up some items on there because they have everything for men as well as women. I'm just telling you, girl, they have some beautiful items for men on their website and in their store. So you don't want to miss out going on there, picking up some gift for the important men in your lives. Let me just show you some things that I got. So they have these, and this is just for Arizona or for DC, wherever you are. These are some nice things. I went ahead and picked up these polo shorts. They were on sale. Originally they are about, let me see, originally they are, I think, like $89, and they were on sale for $34.77. These are some really nice shorts, nice deep pockets. The color is very nice. You know, polo is not cheap. It's not super expensive either, but they're a nice little brand of casual shorts. These, of course, are really nice. They're nice little khaki-like shorts, but really nice for a casual look. So I picked that up, and then I picked up some Murano shirts. These are really nice for a casual fit. These are originally about $79.50. They were on sale for $27.42. That is a great bargain. This is a all cotton shirt, which I absolutely love. It's a beautiful color. They do have these in tall men, so you can get it in a regular fit. You can get it in a tall man size. So yeah, tall, big and tall men. They have every size from small to 3X and above. So don't be sleeping, I'm telling you. They have beautiful suede jackets, beautiful leather jackets. I think they had a beautiful leather jacket for like $79.99, originally like $199. Yeah, I'm just saying. A beautiful leather vest, beautiful leather jacket. Excellent jacket. Some beautiful sweaters, just a lot. So I picked up this little shirt right here. I absolutely love the color. I think it's just really beautiful. I would have liked to see a different color button on it, but I think for a casual look, it's really cute. The next thing I picked up was and this again was from Murano. I like this little shirt right here. This again is 100%, this is 100%, what is this? This is sustainable fabric. This is their cotton, what is it, linen. This is their linen set. They had this in a lot of colors. This actually rolls up, but it does roll down to a long sleeve. It buttons up. It kind of gives a little bit of chest at the top. So if your man is not into that, this is not the shirt for you. But I absolutely love it. It has the hideaway buttons, which I actually love. It has the little kind of off, like I don't know what men call this, but the little little collared shirt. But like I said, it opens up in the chest to show a little bit of chest. But I think this is really nice when you're going on vacation. It they can put an undershirt or white beater or whatever you call it under this shirt. I would say a t-shirt under here, where you can actually wear this open, put a t-shirt under it so it looks almost like a little jacket. Is the way I would like to see it be worn, but that's totally up to your man. The sleeves can be worn down, but right now they're folded up, because it has a little clasp that keeps them up. I think that's super nice. It is see-through, so I would recommend putting a shirt under it, kind of wearing it, like I said, like a jacket. But it's a beautiful linen shirt. It's 100% linen. This is what it looks like in the back. They had these in this color, a little darker linen, a blue, and a black. And this was originally, let's see, this was originally $121. It was on sale for $31.32. So I absolutely loved that. And then they had these linen pants, and these linen pants were from Island Sands, and these are tall men. Now these are see-through, so I don't know what to tell you, but they are beautiful linen pants. They do have a little drawstring, which I absolutely love. That helps them, and it does button up and has elastic in them. Well structured. These are for tall men, so it's not going to be like they're super short. I do like that. A really well structured pants, 100% linen, and these were originally $97 on well originally $79.50, on sale for $27.62, like 28 bucks. So very, very nice. So guys, go check out their men's clothing. You're going to absolutely find some great deals. Again, get on Dillard's mailing list. They're going to tell you everything that goes on sale before it goes on sale. Right now it's the Christmas season. You want to be able to save some money, so you want to get on the mailing list for any discount stores, any stores that you absolutely love, because they're going to tell you what goes on sale before it goes on sale. Hope you found this inspirational. Make sure you check out Tanya Grissom's Amazon store. Check out these books. They are inspirational. I absolutely love them. And that's all I have for you today. This is Just Queen Wells. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, I love you guys. Peace. And happy holidays. Bye.